Numbers to 100,000. Hello LEGO Math learners! Previously, you learned about counting, recognizing, reading, and writing numbers up to 10,000. And because of that, I'm sure you're ready for this new lesson. Let's begin. What is the number represented by the LEGO dots? There are 4 dots in the 10,000s place. 4 stands for 4 10,000s or 40,000. There are 0 dots in the thousands place. 0 stands for 0,000 or 0. There are 7 dots in the hundreds place. 7 stands for 700s or 700. There are 8 dots in the tens place. 8 stands for 8 tens or 80. There are 3 dots in the ones place. 3 stands for 3 ones or 3. Now let's add the value of each place. 40,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 3 is equal to 40,783. Let's discuss this further. 4 is in the 10,000s place. 0 is in the thousands place. 7 is in the hundreds place. 8 is in the tens place. And 3 is in the ones place. So, 4 10,000s, 7 hundreds, 8 tens, 3 ones is equal to 40,783. The number represented by the LEGO dots is 40,783. Let's have another example. What is the number represented by the LEGO dots? There are 6 dots in the 10,000s place. 6 stands for 6 10,000s or 60,000. There are 5 dots in the thousands place. 5 stands for 5,000s or 5,000. There are 9 dots in the hundreds place. 9 stands for 900s or 900. There is 1 dot in the tens place. 1 stands for 110 or 10. There are 2 dots in the ones place. 2 stands for 2 ones or 2. The numbers in the 10,000s and thousands columns represent the number of thousands. So we read 65 as 65,000. The number 65912 is read as 65,912. Let's discuss this further. The digit 6 is in the 10,000s place and has a value of 60,000. The digit 5 is in the thousands place and has a value of 5,000. The digit 9 is in the hundreds place and has a value of 900. The digit 1 is in the tens place and has a value of 10. And the digit 2 is in the ones place and has a value of 2. Now let's add the value of each place. 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to 65,912. The number represented by the LEGO dots is 65,912. Let's take a look at this example. In 94,715, what does the digit 7 stand for? The digit 7 stands for 700s or 700. What is the value of the digit 4? The value of the digit 4 is 4,000. What is the place of the digit 9? The digit 9 is in the 10,000s place. Alright, Lego Math learners, it's now your turn to apply what you've learned from the lesson today. Let's have the following exercises. In 70,642, what does the digit 6 stand for? Pause the video and think about the answer. Play it again to see if your answer is correct. The digit 6 stands for 600s or 600. Did you get the right answer? Let's have another exercise. Study the place value cards. What is the value of the digit 8 in 81,052? What is the place of the digit 1 in 81,052? Pause the video and think about the answers. Play it again to see if your answers are correct. The value of the digit 8 is 80,000. The digit 1 is in the thousands place. Are your answers correct? Let's have the final mind workout. What are the missing numbers? Pause the video and think about the answers. Play it again to see if your answers are correct. The missing numbers are 9,000s, 13,786, and 100. In today's lesson, we recognized number notation and the respective place value of each digit. And we read and wrote numbers up to 100,000 in numerals and in words. Great job, Lego Math learners! Keep on practicing those math muscles and you're sure to recognize, read, and write numbers up to 100,000. Thank you for watching! Subscribe to Mr. Lego Math. And as always, just keep building and enjoy learning.